Imagine waking up and feeling like your brain is running on a dying battery. Just last week, a patient sat in my office. He was a successful architect in his early 50s, describing a slow-motion decay of his mind. He could not recall key details in meetings. Words felt stuck. His focus was simply gone. He feared this was the start of an irreversible decline, but in my clinical experience, these symptoms often point to an energy crisis rather than a permanent loss of function. We often treat the brain as a mysterious black box, yet it is essentially a biological engine. When that engine flickers, we have to look at the fuel source. Research indicates that cognitive fatigue might be more treatable than we once thought. Today, we're going to explore a specialized molecule that studies suggest could be the key to recharging your mental grid. Let us look at what is happening inside your head right now. Every single thought you have comes with an enormous metabolic cost. Your brain is only about 2% of your body weight. Yet, it consumes an astonishing 20% of your daily energy. This energy is not like the gas in your car. It is more like a rechargeable battery system called ATP. When you think hard, you drain these batteries instantly. If you cannot recharge them fast enough, your mental performance begins to stutter and fade. So, how we fix a power grid failure? Your body uses an ingenious, high-speed recharging system. It stores phosphate groups on a molecule called phosphocreatine. This is where creatine supplementation fits in. By increasing your internal reservoir, you provide your brain with the raw materials needed to recycle energy in milliseconds. The result is a more resilient and efficient neural network. As a physician, I follow the clinical data rather than trends. The evidence for the cognitive benefits of creatine is becoming quite robust. One significant piece of evidence is the 2018 meta-analysis led by Dr. Avgerinos. His team reviewed multiple randomized controlled trials involving hundreds of participants. They found that creatine supplementation significantly improved performance on memory and intelligence tasks. This was especially true in older adults and individuals under metabolic stress.
If you're enjoying this, subscribe.
Another study published in the Journal of Neuroscience showed that just 5 days of supplementation could reduce mental fatigue during heavy cognitive loads. Many of my patients find that their mental stamina improves when they address these underlying levels. In my view, the most compelling data suggests that creatine acts as a neuroprotective buffer. It helps maintain the pH balance of the brain and reduces oxidative stress. While it is famous for building muscle, the peer-reviewed literature points toward its role as a fundamental pillar for long-term brain health and cognitive recovery. You might be wondering why a standard scoop of powder has not made everyone a genius yet. The primary obstacle is a biological fortress called the blood-brain barrier. This highly selective membrane protects your brain, and it does not easily let creatine pass through from the blood. For athletes, 5 grams a day is the gold standard for muscle growth. However, the evidence points to a different requirement for the mind. Some researchers suggest that higher doses, perhaps up to 10 or even 20 grams daily for a short period, may be necessary to saturate brain tissue. This is for educational purposes only, and you should always talk to your healthcare provider before changing your routine. Taking it with carbohydrates might improve uptake due to the insulin response. Consistency matters more than timing. It can take weeks to notice a change in cognitive clarity. In my clinical experience, people who maintain a steady daily habit see the best results. Be mindful of hydration, as creatine draws water into your cells. If you have any history of kidney issues, a medical consultation is absolutely vital. Always consult your physician before starting any new supplement protocol to ensure it is safe for your specific health profile. Knowledge is power, but safety must always come first when we discuss your unique biological needs and long-term wellness goals. From my perspective, this research changes how we frame the conversation about aging. This is not about chasing a fleeting biohack. It is about maintaining the fundamental energy infrastructure of the organ that creates your entire reality. Your mind is your greatest asset, so give it the power it needs to shine. Take care of your brain, and it will take care of you.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to Dr. Sanchez LM and hit that notification bell. Together, we make health